Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. See, there's so much we need to talk about this phone, so just buckle up and hear what I have to say. So first thing first, can we talk about the design? Like, Google really switched things up this year. Like, we are looking at flat edges. Like, it's giving me major iPhone vibes, which, let's be real, is probably what they were going for. Now, the metal frame is all polished and shiny, which looks super premium. But fair warning, if it's anything like other phones we've seen with this finish, it might be a scratch magnet. So time will tell on that one. Now let's talk size. You see, this bad boy is rocking a 6.8-inch display, putting it right up there with the big dogs like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's actually pretty similar in size to the iPhone, just a smidge taller. But compared to the S24 Ultra, way more comfortable to hold in my own opinion. As for color options, we've got 4 options to choose from. We have the black, like the one I've got here. We have the gray, we have the pink, and something they call porcelain. Okay, that's very fancy. Anyway, let's dive right into the specs. The display is no joke. We are talking LTPO technology, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. The resolution is a crispy 1344 by 2992 pixels. Now, is it awesomely different from the Pixel 8 Pro? Honestly, not really. But see, that's not a bad thing. Like, the 8 Pro screen was already awesome. Now, under the hood, we've got the new Tensor G4 chip. Now, Google is saying it's about 15% more powerful than the last generation. But here's the kicker. They are also promising better battery life, more power, and better efficiency. So sign me up for that. So speaking of battery, we are looking at a 5050 mAh battery capacity. It's the same size as that of the 8 Pro, but with that more efficient chip and display, it should last noticeably longer. Now, camera wise, things are looking pretty familiar. We've got that 50 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optional zoom. Now, the big change is up front. We are jumping from a 10.5 megapixel selfie to a whooping 42 megapixel selfie game. Now let's talk software. This baby is running Android 15 right out of the box. But get this, Google is promising 7 years of Android updates. That means the phone could get updates up to Android 22. That's wild. 7 years of security patches too. But you know, Google is all about the AI life. They are bundling in a year of Gemini Advanced, which is like their supercharged AI assistant. We are talking serious language processing power, code editing, document analysis, the works basically. Now, other AI features include this cool thing called Pixel Screenshot. Now, you snap a pic of something online and later you can ask your phone about it. Like, you say, hey Google, where can I find those sneakers I screenshot last week? And boom, it's going to pull up and even help you find the best price. Now, I know what you're thinking.
But Eugene, what about the price?
Well, my friends, brace yourself because we are looking at around 1,199 euros. Basically, the price in Naira is about 2.1 million Naira.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
But yeah, I mean, with all these features and that long-term support, it might just be worth it for the right user. Just know how to keep your phone very well. So what's the verdict here? The Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be a serious contender in the flagship space. It's got the looks, the power, and the smarts to go toe-to-toe with the best out there. Like, is it a massive leap from the 8-9 Pro? Maybe not. But for anyone coming from an older Pixel or looking to jump into the Google ecosystem, this could be the perfect phone. Alright, that is all I've got for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So tell me what you think. Are you hyped up about this phone? So drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. And also share. Please share. Please share. Yeah, I am Eugene and this is Brand Deluxe.